Good morning. A perfect little spot to camp. Just a 5-minute walk to this beautiful beach. I've woken up and there's not a cloud in the sky. That's the first day on this trip that it's been like that. So just making my way up the coast to Aberdeen today. I'm hoping to maybe try and get my phone screen fixed there. And I may spend the night inside as it might rain tonight. So maybe time to clean myself up in a proper hotel room. I'm just gonna go walk down to the beach and then go back and pack up and we'll hit the road. Thank you to Lunan Bay. A nice little spot to pitch the tent. And they gave me perfect weather. It's got a beautiful beach at Lunan. Well worth a stop. We'll see if I can find a place for my morning cappuccino and a breakfast. And we'll continue cruising the coast up to Aberdeen. And I can start making a few phone calls to find out if anybody has a S20 screen. I just spent a few hours in the coffee shop and booked myself a room. Hello, puppy. Phone should be fixed later this afternoon. I'll try and get some work done and then wander into town. I think I'm on the right track. 250 right here on the corner. Easy parking when you got a bike. Let's check it out. All right, I got the penthouse. Little view through my skylight. I'm just gonna have a little snack while I do some laundry and then walk into town, and hopefully by that time my phone will be ready. So I've got the call. Well, not the call, I got the email that my phone was ready. So I'm just walking into town now and we'll see what kind of a repair job I got for 225 pounds. Over 300 Canadian dollars. It's a good thing I'm making about 50 cents for every video I put out. I've done it. Found the street. And now off to phone fix. Let's find out what kind of a job was done.
You got the same tray? So
yeah.
Inside into it.
So the camera's not working. Got the phone back, but now the camera's not working. So now the guy wants me to pay for the phone and send me somewhere to hope to fix it. I couldn't open the camera app, so but on WhatsApp it worked. So.
You want me to take out the old camera?
Okay, after a bunch of fiddling around, and he had to change the camera back to the old camera because the new screen normally comes with a camera. It finally works. So hopefully I don't have any more issues because that was really expensive. Alright, I'm gonna head back and make fajitas. Alright, the fajitas are just about ready, so I'm gonna eat my dinner, do a bit of editing, and then hit the set. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning from Aberdeen. It did rain last night, but now it's just cloudy and looks like it might be clearing up a little bit. So it was a good choice to stay in this pretty nice place. Nice comfy bed, made myself the fajitas and even had leftovers for breakfast. So I'm all full and ready to go. Today we're heading to Keith Inch Point. blown away by a truck. Today we're heading to Keith Inch Point, which happens to be the most western point of the Scottish mainland. So I'm all packed up. Let's hit the road. Just look at that nice new screen. A very hefty price and the hassles that you just saw. But I just hope for the best that I don't drop it flat again. I've dropped the phone numerous times and been really lucky, but that one was a bad break. Anyway, first stop is fuel. We're down to 1 bar. And then it's looks like 55 kilometers. And we'll be at the westernmost point. First pay at the pump I've seen, and now it says pay cashier only. Well, that's a pain in the ass. Full up and good to go. I've plotted the best route that I can along the coast, so I don't have that much more time heading north for this section. We're gonna hit the northern point of this area, and then I'll have to start heading back down to Glasgow to get the service on the bike, and then we'll turn around and get as far north as I can get, hopefully. I just had to rip off a bunch of kilometers on the motorway, so flying down there at high speed, but it's not interesting at all. All these back roads that Scotland has are awesome, and especially when you get on those really tiny roads. The one-way tracks are a lot of fun. The weather does not look that great looking north. This fine misty rain has just started. This isn't boding well for the day. Well, I thought this would be something special, but it's a waste water treatment plant and a fishery. This is very disappointing for the westernmost point of Scotland.
The pictures you're needing for the west, by the, is it the west, most westerly point?
Westernmost point, yeah.
To get to here, I'm afraid.
I can walk there though.
No, just to here.
Just here? That's it. There you go, the westernmost point is restricted. The closest I can get is these cones. I've got 3 more points, northwest and south, so hopefully I'll have better luck in those ones. Well, that's pretty disappointing. I technically got closer than the cones because I had to turn the bike around, so I got about 20 feet further west. But all it is, ooh, snow. But the westernmost point is basically just a shipping port with top-notch security. Uh-oh. What's going on? Am I stuck? I'm going for it. Woo! Let's turn around and find out what I escaped. I could have tried to launch it. Okay, we've got 110 kilometers along the coast to Spey Bay, and there's a dolphin viewing center there, so not sure what that's all about, but maybe we'll see some sea life, and maybe that's where we'll see the seals and maybe dolphins and whales, who knows. With my luck, I won't see nothing. Part of the problem is just going day by day, and you show up to a place on a Tuesday and they're closed. Apparently the Dolphin Center is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Okay, my plan to stealth camp is just up there on the knoll. I talked to a local guy in this park and he says, well, officially it says no overnight camping. There's people in tents all the time. And he said if you go even by the picnic tables, he said on a Saturday morning there'll be like 20 tents lined up. But up there is a nice little spot by the beach, so I'm gonna attempt to make this trip in one go, non-stop. Let's see if I can do it. I've marked part of the route. Woo! Success! Didn't drop it, Hutchie! And this is my view. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.